What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Hustle and Flip. It's Vic, and today I'm just gonna make a short video. I'm not doing a lot today. I gotta be on the phones a lot today. I'm doing some real estate stuff right now, but I finally got the radio put back in the charger. Both the doors are fixed. I did have an issue with the passenger door, the passenger side door. Yesterday when I put the door panel back on, I didn't hook it back up, but I had to take that back apart, fix that. So all of that's done. Both the doors are working, and right now I'm just going to run it through the wash real quick. Probably gonna have to hit it with the vacuum a little bit, because as you know, I had it detailed already, but things happen. I've been driving the car and I'm fixing to go take some photos, but I am gonna show you, for if you flip cars, I'm gonna show you how to best take your photos to get good traction on your listing when you list the car, if you're listing it. So I'm about to take it through the car wash real quick, and then I'm just gonna show you real quick how you can take pictures of your car to get people to like it. You wanna kind of give people a feel of all the way around the car, like they walking around it, you know. Ooh, I'm tired, because I've been going already all day. But yeah, you want to take good, clear photos so that people can see the car inside and out and have a feel of what's going on with the car and how it looks and how well cleaned, how well maintained the car's been. So let me go over here to the car wash and keep up. We at the car wash. Getting this thing clean. But I was at one the other day. You could tell they don't clean them. If you look at them things right there and they dirty, the water look dirty on there, that mean they don't clean them. And your car ain't gonna get cleaned that good. I'm never going back to that car wash where I seen that at. They gotta take them things off and clean them. If not, they'll be nasty. And then some car washes you get where you get the water smells. I don't like them either. I like a good clean car wash where your car is getting actually clean. I remember when I was a kid and my mom used to go through these car washes, I used to freak out because I used to think that something was happening. Like, I don't know what I was thinking, but I just know I was scared of a car ride through one of these car washes when I was young. I was real scared. Like, I would cry hysterically. Now I go through them almost seem like every day. Over here, hit the vacuum real quick, then I'm gonna find me a good little spot to take some really good pictures where a lot of sunlight. It's definitely a good day for pictures. It's real bright out, it's sunny, it's kind of windy. It feel actually kind of good. It seemed like a good day to go out on the bike. Yeah, I might do that here shortly. It's a good motorcycle riding day. Find me a good vacuum cleaner. Right here. I gotta throw this stuff away. I got a bunch of trash in here from fixing the radio, all these little pieces of wire, stuff like this. Better not throw my wallet away. It's crazy. I detailed this car and I done messed it up already. real quick. All these photos. How we looking? How is we looking? We're looking decent. The rest of that stuff come off the tires? Nope. Just so happened to find a little rag down here on the ground. It's cleaning these wheels up. I am getting the money now. I gotta clean these windows again, but I think it's good enough to take photos. It's good enough to take photos. But I need to clean these windows again. Man, I'm having the hardest time. I'm having the hardest time with this Altima. Altima ain't selling. I think I gotta go sit it somewhere. I'm gonna go out later and ride and try to find somewhere where I can pay somebody to like put it in a parking lot somewhere where it gets some traffic. And I was looking at that house. Somebody done bought it, or maybe no. I think the same dude own it. He probably trying to do some work to it. That house, he wanted an arm and a leg for that house, and it ain't worth anything. It was a shell, and I think he wanted like $150,000, and it wasn't even. It wasn't worth probably 25, but. Seeing that he owned it, he could probably put some money into it and get something out of it. But yeah, I'm gonna try to. I gotta try to get the Altima going, man. I know I'm gonna take a loss on it because I put more into it than I think it's worth. But once again, like I said, I had to protect my interests. I had to protect the money I had. I was trying to get something back because I purchased it for. I think I got it for $1,200. After taxes and everything, I was like $1,600 in. So like I needed to be able to. Well, after taxes and all of the fees, the auction fees that they charge you. After all of that, I was about that much in. SXT got some get up, man. You don't want to see the SXT. Where we gonna go to take some photos? I want to take some photos. The water in the background, but I'm gonna see how it's a little park up here. I'm gonna see how packed it is. It's a beautiful day, man. Out in Daytona Beach on the Intercoastal. It's a beautiful day out here. It's not really a beach day, but it's just a day. Like, it looks good out to be out doing stuff or doing something. I've been in the house all morning working on this radio and trying to get this car ready. I was gonna take the music out of it, but it don't even sound that good. It's not worth taking out. It's not worth the time taking it out to put it in my car because it don't sound that good. But it'll help this car sell. It's got like 2 10s in the back with a little small amp on it, and then there's some door speakers and they got amps on them. So I was gonna take that out and put just the regular, but that's a lot of work. That's a lot of work to take all of that stuff out, and then I gotta rewire the speakers back to the back of the sorry. I gotta rewire the speakers back to the back of the unit, the head unit, instead of running them where they were running, instead of running from the amp, because they all run from the amp right now, and just to get some music that I wasn't even gonna want to keep in the long run. It's not even worth it. I'd rather just leave it in here and let it help the car sell, because I could put aftermarket stereo system, subwoofers, whatever, and people can just tweak it how they want. It need another speaker in that door over there, but because I believe it to be blown, but I don't want to take no pictures here. It's not nowhere to really park the car. I know where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna just go to I usually go to this little Wells Fargo bank. I'm gonna just go over here and take some photos there, because it was full at that part, and it ain't really know where to get a good picture of the background. Like I kind of wanted the background to be where the background to be where the water was back there, but that ain't really that important. What's really important is people get a clear picture of the car. You ever see like an ad of a car for sale, and people got like one picture and it's from the front of the car, then it's not that clear, and it's like it's not cropped. Like you don't want to have an ad like that. You want that front picture to be a picture of the angle of the car in the front, so you can see the side, the front, and see what the car looks like. And then you want the other pictures to go all the way around the car. You want to go around the car in order like they was walking all the way around it. You don't want to jump from a angle of the front fender and then jump to an interior, then jump to this. Like take your photos and list them exactly like they're walking around the car. So as they're doing the photos, they're walking around the car and then looking inside of the car. Like just have some type of order to it. Like I somebody told me that, and it actually works. So I mean, that's why I'm showing you guys how to pretty much do the same thing, because it literally works. You get more traction on your listings, especially if the car is worth it. Man, the fucking Wells Fargo look like it's full. What's going on today? It's Friday. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I gotta work. Got a lot of work to do. Trying to close on a house. I don't think it's gonna close today. But I've been trying to close one house for like 2 weeks, but I've been waiting on a bank. I've been waiting on the bank. The banks are slow. Anytime you deal with a bank, it's slow when it comes to houses. They're definitely slow. All right, I do got some room in here. I'm fixing to just whip up in here real quick. Show you how to do these photos. All right. First thing you want to do is get your phone. You got to get your phone. You got to put the car in park. If you got anything in the car that's in view, take it out so the car looks empty. That's why I'm putting everything up. You want the car to be completely empty, so it don't look like, you want it to look very professional. Man, I was at the trash and I should have threw all this stuff away. I could put all this stuff in the trunk for right now.